What's up everybody? Today we're going to talk about media mods. So let's get to it. So the media mod is a great accessory for the GoPro 9, 10, or 11. It has cold shoe mounts where you can mount accessories like an external microphone or a light or something else. It also has a few inputs and it has a built-in shotgun microphone. But one of the biggest downfalls in my opinion and many others is that the shotgun microphone just isn't up to par of what you would get with some other microphone. And most people buy the media mod because it has a shotgun microphone. So I'm going to show you some sound clips here comparing the shotgun microphone that is on the media mod compared to the microphone of the internal GoPro. And a lot of people say that the internal audio from the GoPro is actually better than the mic on the shotgun microphone that comes with the media mod. So I just don't know. It kind of blows my mind as to why you spend so much money on the media mod and the microphone is just worse than the GoPro built-in mics. Now it does have some other features that we'll go over, but in my opinion, if you're buying the media mod for the microphone, it works. Don't get me wrong, it works. But if you're looking for better audio than what comes with the built-in mics on the GoPro, then I would not recommend the media mod. So let me show you some sample clips now of the media mod audio compared to the GoPro audio. Now we're testing the in-camera mics on the GoPro 10. Wind reduction is on auto. So how does it sound like this? Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? Okay, so now this is the media mod front mic. Wind reduction is still off. So how does this sound? Does it sound better? Does it sound any different? Does it sound worse? All right, now we're testing the media mod rear mic on the GoPro 10. Wind reduction is off. So how does this sound? Does it sound any better? Does it sound different? All right, so this test is the front Movo mic. Does it sound any different? Does it sound any better? It has the foam and the dead cat on it. Again, this is the front mic of the Movo. Now, a lot of people say that the media mod sounds kind of tin canny, like a tin can. And I could agree. The audio from the media mod doesn't sound as clean, crisp, or doesn't really give you that natural tone that you would think an external mic would. But it does some other great things, and let me talk about some of the other things that the media mod has that, you know, it's worth getting if you want to get the media mod. So the media mod has a couple features that's pretty neat. Even if you don't use the media mod for the built-in microphone that comes on the media mod, you can also use the 3 ports that are included on the media mod. So the GoPro slides directly into the media mod and connects to the USB-C port that's on the side of the door of the media mod. So you have a 3.5mm headphone jack that you connect an external microphone to get even better audio if you wanted to. There's also a USB-C port that you connect to it, and there's also an HDMI mini port that you can use to connect to your computer or your TV. The windscreen for the mic on the media mod is removable, so there's the back right there, and there's the front. Alright, that about wraps it up, everybody, on the media mod for the GoPro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It greatly helps the channel, makes it grow, so I can get more content out to you guys. Until next time, everybody, Later.